Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am making chicken biryani and this recipe is inspired from the famous Calicut Paragon restaurant Biryani of Kerala. 1 kg chicken is used in the making of this biryani. To start with, we need 4 to 5 sliced onions, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic, 6 to 7 sliced green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves, mint leaves and 3 tomatoes sliced. All these ingredients are combined well into the chicken. Also goes in 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of homemade biryani masala powder, 2 teaspoons of ghee and not to forget salt. The chicken is cooked on a low flame by keeping it covered. As the chicken is being cooked, 2 thinly sliced onions are deep fried, followed by cashew nuts and dried raisins. After about 30 minutes, the chicken seems to be cooked properly. Next step is to make the ghee rice for the biryani. 2 tablespoons of ghee are heated and a teaspoon of fennel seed is tempered. Next, a thinly sliced onion is sautéed until translucent. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 green chilies and 1 tomato diced are allowed to cook by covering gently. Then around 750 grams of washed and drained jeera gasala rice is added to this. The rice is roasted for a minute and then boiling water is added to the rice. Salt and homemade biryani masala powder, bay leaves are added to the rice and the rice is cooked on low flame for 8 minutes. Once the rice is done, half of the chicken is taken into another plate. The rice is layered over the chicken in the biryani vessel and then the fried onions and nuts and raisins too are also added. The second layer is also done in the same way. Now the process of dum is going to be done by keeping this biryani vessel on an old tawa and cooking on a very low flame for almost half an hour. You can do it for a minimum of 10 minutes also. I opened the biryani vessel after around 10 to 15 minutes and voila, the whole house smells like the biryani. Now this is going to be served. Do try this yummy recipe and let me know your opinions in the comment box. Also do watch my shorts video on chicken biryani, which is a little bit different from this biryani. I'll post it in the description. I will meet you again with yet another yummy food recipe. Until then, bye bye.